So today I'm breaking down TurboTax Premium, and by the end of this video, you'll know the biggest US tax filing mistake. But before we walk you through the steps, there's one tiny setting inside TurboTax that quietly fixes half of the filing errors, and most people don't even know it exists. I'll show you that part in just a second. First, let's start with what TurboTax Premium actually does. It's designed for people with more complex tax situations. Freelancers, investors, homeowners, or anyone with multiple forms flying around. And while the interface looks simple, every section actually hides tools that guide you away from costly mistakes if you just know where to click. Now, here's the first transformation moment. When you're entering your income forms, TurboTax Premium automatically scans for missing fields or mismatched numbers. Most people skip past this screen, but catching one mismatch here can literally prevent the IRS from flagging your return. Next, deduction. This is where most beginners lose hundreds of dollars. TurboTax has Deduction Finder that shows you what you qualify for based on how you answer just a few questions. And here's the trick almost no one uses. If you click Explore on your own, you unlock hidden categories most filers never see, like industry-specific write-offs, home office percentage rules, and overlooked credits. This is the part that feels like magic. Your refund can jump before you even finish entering your info. Now, the secret setting I mentioned earlier, inside the final review, there's a tool called Error Check and Smart Scan. It catches missing documents, duplicate entries, and category mistakes. The quiet errors causes refunds to be delayed for weeks. Turn this on, and it's like having an accountant double-check your entire return. And when you're ready to file, TurboTax Premium shows you a real-time audit risk meter. Super helpful for avoiding red flags you didn't even realize. So that's it. That's my quick walkthrough of TurboTax Premium and the filing mistakes you can avoid. If you want a full step-by-step filing demo, just comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple US finance guides.